Welcome to Housekeeping Master. Today we are looking at the DishDelight green induction pots and pan set. If you are tired of scrubbing burnt food off your pans or worrying about the chemicals in your non-stick coating, this 12-piece set might just be the upgrade your kitchen needs. Let us start with the core technology. This is a granite-based non-stick cookware set that is completely free of PFOA and PFOS. In the world of modern cookware, that is a baseline requirement for health-conscious cooks. The standout feature here is the even heating technology. We tested this on various burners, and it does a fantastic job of eliminating those annoying hot spots that lead to uneven cooking. Whether you are searing a steak or simmering a delicate sauce, the heat distribution feels consistent across the entire base. The versatility of this 12-piece collection is impressive. You get an 8-inch and an 11-inch fry pan, a 9.7-inch deep fry pan with a lid, and 3 different casserole pots ranging from 1.5 quarts up to 5 quarts. Plus, they include 2 silicone utensils to get you started. The design is quite thoughtful, especially the anti-scald handles, which stay cool even when the pan is hot. That deep pan shape is a highlight for me, as it allows you to transition from stir-frying to stewing without needing to switch out your equipment. Now, let us talk about the daily experience. The non-stick coating performs well, allowing you to use less oil, which makes for a healthier cooking process. Cleanup is genuinely a breeze. Because of the smooth granite surface, food particles rarely get stuck, meaning you can spend less time at the sink and more time enjoying your meal. On the downside, like most lightweight non-stick sets, you do need to be careful with metal utensils. Even though the manufacturer mentions wear resistance, I always recommend sticking to wood or silicone tools to keep that granite coating pristine for years to come. Also, while it is great for induction, make sure your induction plate size matches the pans for the best efficiency. In conclusion, the DishDelight set is a fantastic value for anyone looking to overhaul their kitchenware with a stylish, safe, and highly functional set. It balances durability with ease of use in a way that makes everyday cooking feel much less like a chore. If you are ready to make the switch to a better cooking experience, you can check the current pricing and availability right here. Link in the description.